Hey guys, Bob Pancakes here, and sorry I haven't posted. I have not been home. So that was just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Okay, stop doing the Dan TDM. So we are going to go outside.
You're stealing my shoes. Go put on your own.
No. Okay, so we had these huge storms. One of them.
Tornado warning.
Yeah, two places got hit.
Yeah.
It was like an F1 because windows got broken. I'm pretty sure that's an F1. Hayden, if you're watching this, please tell me. What was it? Hayden's my smart friend. The exact opposite of me.
This was stabbing me.
Okay. So as you can see, no!
What?
The wing!
Did another one break?
Yeah, it broke deeper.
Ooh.
No. Okay. After my...
Inside the fort, we got a few ridges down.
Oh God, it's windy.
Yeah, we're still experiencing aftermath after it.
Yeah, it's gonna be storms all week.
Oh, come on. It's all falling over and stuff.
We're gonna have to... Oh! I just walked through a spider web.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. Yeah, this is what
That
happens.
goes up there. Where's the SpongeBob trash can? Okay, you can barely see it. And the laptop. No, my laptop got wet!
No! It's broken.
The Windows 800, it's so expensive.
We only wanted this and we got the only one.
Yeah. So, this is kind of what happened. And there's gonna be... Oh gosh, whoa!
Whoa!
Oh dear.
Look over here. It's like very windy still.
Yeah.
It's not as built up as it would be, as it was in the original video, but it still had decent walling, but it's just mostly falling down and wet.
Yeah, we're gonna have to structure this. But guys, sorry I haven't uploaded. This is going to be a very short video, but But I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. And literally, I don't know, it is really windy here. Bow wow! Oh gosh. Stay safe, guys. If you're around my area and it's super windy, stay safe. Peace. Whoa, boy.